Hello guys, how are you? Ndiyathemba niyaphila. Unzigi Ziggy Auto Services. I'm doing a clutch kit here on this Hilux. It's a Hilux, Toyota Hilux Baki. I'm removing a gearbox now. I'm doing a clutch kit. I'm gonna show you guys how to go about when you're removing a clutch kit on this. So I've started already the process of removing the gearbox. So I'll show you how to do this. Keep watching. So I'm removing a starter bolt there. Sure. No, Beniti long extensions, bay two. No, la long, na la short. People are set here. Okay guys, we managed to take out all the bolts, as you can see there. All the bolts that are securing the gearbox. So we're gonna take out the gearbox now out. All the bolts, everything that is holding the gearbox. So I left with only one bolt just to keep the gearbox in place. Yeah. So now I'll get the gearbox check stand and I'll be able to remove this gearbox. Okay guys, as you can see, this is our gearbox check stand. I'll place the gearbox check stand in place and hold the gearbox. Then I'll be able to remove the gearbox. It's just that I'm holding the phone myself. So, but next time I'll do a better video than this. Thank you. Now is out. As you can see, the jack is holding it. So okay, I'll drop down the jack here. Drop down the jack here. Okay guys, the gearbox is out. Gearbox is out. I'll remove the gearbox is out. You can see the flywheel is there. So I'm gonna remove that pressure plate and then take the flywheel for skimming, and I put the clutch back again. Okay guys, we've removed the clutch. As you can see, it's finished, and then we're gonna remove the flywheel now. You see how bad is the flywheel, so I can't just put a new clutch kit here on this flywheel, so I need to remove the flywheel, send it for skimming, and then I put a complete clutch kit, new clutch kit. So I can't put a clutch kit on this. If I can put a clutch kit on this bad flywheel like this, it's gonna have that thing, they call it clutch shuddering. It's gonna have a clutch shudder, like the vehicle is vibrating, you see, when you're balancing the clutch. So this is what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna remove the flywheel, send it for skimming, and then when it's back, I'm putting it back together with new clutch kit, new gearbox oil, and then done. Okay guys, the flywheel is out now. Managed to take out the flywheel, as you can see. Yeah. So here's the flywheel. Here's the flywheel. Here's the bed, clutch kit, clutch plate. So I'm gonna send the clutch flywheel now for skimming. Then yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and comment. Thank you so much for supporting. This is Auto Services. Thank you.